Hey foodies, it's hot out there and let's be real. No one wants to be near a stove in this weather. So today we're making two super cool, super easy and super yummy summer salads that will keep you feeling fresh and fancy without breaking a sweat. Ready to shake up your salad game? Let's do this. First up, a crunchy fruit salad that's as colorful as it is delicious. For this, cut the apple into small pieces and place them in the bowl. Now add lime juice to it. Next, cut the orange into small pieces and add them to the bowl with some pieces of papaya, strawberries, green grapes, black grapes, pomegranate seeds, boiled corn, roasted peanuts, watermelon seeds, mint leaves, salt and honey with balsamic reduction. Now mix everything properly and your crunchy fruit salad is ready to be served. Next, let's prepare a Mediterranean salad, which is a delightful combination of textures and flavors. The first step is to prepare the dressing. For that, add 2 tablespoons mustard and 1/4 cup honey in a bowl. Now mix well and keep it aside. Next, in the salad mixing bowl, add 1 cup kale leaves. Then chop up 1 cup cherry tomatoes and add that as well. Now add in 1/2 cup feta cheese. Chop the mint leaves and add it. Now add the basil leaves next, followed by the prepared dressing. Toast well and it's ready to be served. So there you have it, 2 refreshing salads to keep you cool and satisfied this summer. Whether you're enjoying a family meal or a solo lunch, these recipes are sure to please. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.